weeks ago, I picked up this camera, the Canonet QL17 G3. I picked it up because I wanted to try rangefinder 35mm, and I did, and it was a pretty interesting experience. I've never shot rangefinder before. I don't know if I necessarily like it, but I don't know enough about viewfinder and rangefinder differences yet. I did do quite a bit of shooting with this. I shot probably 6 rolls on it. Getting all of them developed right now. I have 2 rolls developed right now. I'm waiting to get the other 4 back. I should get them within the next week. Oh my gosh, who's texting me? So I might wait to post this video until I get those. From my experience, it's a really nice portable camera. I will say I'm going to sell it because I believe mine has a light leak. I got one rollback that has bad light leaks on almost every shot, and I'm waiting to see what the other ones come out like. If it is, that sucks. I'm getting rid of it. I'm gonna have to buy another camera. But it's not too bad. Film cameras are pretty cheap. The first thing you notice about this camera is that it is crazy quiet. Like, listen to this. That's as loud as it gets. Oh. That's the loudest you'll ever hear it. It's fully mechanical, so it works without batteries, but if you want to get a battery, you have to get this crazy obscure. I had to wait like 2 weeks for this thing to get shipped in. I can't get it out right now for some reason, but it's like a 625 battery. And that just gets the auto shutter priority mode working, and it gets the light meter in the viewfinder working. Which leads me to my next point, is the viewfinder. I don't know if this is just mine, but it is garbage. It is so cloudy. Probably one of the cloudiest viewfinders I've ever shot with. Miles got a viewfinder camera, and that thing is so big and clear, you can see the whole world through it. Not the case for this. This one kind of sucks. You can't really see anything unless you're looking into a perfectly lit day. Like in my room right now, I can't see hardly anything unless I look hard at it. It's really annoying. The next thing is that all these settings are on the lens, and the lens is a 40mm 1.7 fixed lens. So you're only gonna get this 40mm if you buy this camera. You can't change out with anything. Literally all the settings are on this lens. You got focus right here. You have self timer right here. F-stop right here. ISO right here. And shutter speed right here. All of these are pretty adjustable. The auto shutter mode is super nice, so it'll adjust the f-stop for you, so you only have to worry about shutter speed. I found that pretty nice. So that's one thing I really liked about this camera. So I shot a bunch of rolls on this. Like I said, I have got a lot coming in, and like I said earlier, I'm pretty sure this camera has light leaks. So if you see in these photos, you can see a red strip going through the frame. Sucks. It sucks so bad. I wish that didn't happen. There's 2 cool features that I find particularly cool about this. Is one, the auto shutter mode, so it adjusts the f-stop for you, and this next one. Quick load system for film. Very nice. All you do is you put the film in here, pull it across, the lip across. You put the film in here, pull the lip across, close it, and you're ready to shoot. Crank it a couple times and you're ready to shoot. So that is really cool. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I think it's a great camera if you get it 100% tested. I bought mine off eBay, and the dude wasn't really honest with me, so that sucked, but you know, it happens. It's a good camera if you can get a good camera, like you're buying it from a good seller, he's being honest, he shows proof of everything. So yeah, I'd recommend this if you're a street shooter or just getting into photography. It's really nice for one of our first cameras, first rangefinder camera that is. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you guys liked this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Consider sharing with a friend if you thought it was cool or helpful. Stay tuned for more film videos, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.